Hello tigers, today we'll be learning how to paint a jellyfish. You will need paint, paper, paint brushes, water. To start this painting off, take your brush and dip it in water, but don't add any color yet. With your water, you're going to make a... Once you've made your dome shape, you're going to take any color you want and dap them into the jellyfish, so the colors will flow and mix into vibrant patterns. Once the head is dry, we're going to make the large tentacles. Take a medium-sized brush and some water. Add a little bit of paint so that the color ends up very light. Start at the bottom of the head and make long squiggly lines to whatever length you wish. Once the larger tentacles dry down, take a smaller brush and the color of your choice with a little bit of water to make the color more pigmented. Using the same technique from the larger tentacles, make long flowy strokes, but this time make them less squiggly. While waiting for that to dry, I added some final touches, drawing some stars and smaller jellyfish to add more details to the painting. Once your painting is completely dried off, this is what your final project should look like.